baboy. Wala ba? Okay na. Bilaan. We're back to cooking. Ano yung segment ko? Wait lang po. May intro na ko eh. Okay, may now. Cooking. I'm so joyful. Joyful. Ay, ba't din yung intro? Our recipe is there's a crumble. You see that? You see it? Ano ba yan? Sa akin yan. Ito na lang natin lalagay. Soup. Our food for today. Our food. Sauce. Kailan bang English? Wala, hindi magkapagsalita. I have the energy is empty. Ano empty? I'm low back. I will cook. I don't know what will I cook for now, but I will start it first. The gravy. The gravy must be like water, and it must be in KFC. You must understand me, ha? For there. Next is the what? Mushroom soup. The what? Mushroom soup. The mushroom soup. Oh, the mushroom soup. Pour there again, and then stir until and then you see the gravy is anemic. Next is the crumble. I don't know what's coffee crumble. Debris. Yeah, the debris no. Debris. Anong tawag na? Debris. The debris must be in snack box of KFC. Because if it's not, it will not work. There's nothing wrong. I will destroy it. So that's shock. Demolish. What happened? I will not destroy. I can destroy it. I will not destroy it. I will put na lang. Okay na yan. The pork? Pork pala. Sige, try hard. Pabalik-balik. For example, this is beef. Ano ba hindi mo panyari? Just yung crumble. Okay, the main event. Wait, event. What you call this? Bone. Feed. The son of the chicken. Ano pa nation? Just the nanay. At diba pinipilit? Ang sakit sa ulo. Just the nanay. Baboy dito na yun ko. This is the chicken we eating here. I will get some organs. Like this, you see that? That's the heart. But then, I'm not kidding. Eh, di ba tayo yan? Wala ko na yung heart. Bakit? Wala ko pa nagluto. May pa tayo heart. Lagi sa kanya kayo lang. Sa baba. that? It's yuck. You see that? Parang si Petra. You see that? Yes. Yes. And then to make it cold, we pour some ice so that it will cold. It will cold. After that, we will oven this.
How about alcohol?
Later, before we eat it, and then some water. From that, I will that's the soup. Oh, I know. This is the soup. Cold soup gravy. With ice. Cold soup gravy with ice. This is the chicken. Ito mo na ako sa ilagay. This. For some final touch, we will what's called that? Ano may called that? Oh my God. I will put there. For final touch, I will put this bone of the chicken here so that it will look beautiful. And then we put some tissue. What you call it? That was good. That was so good tissue. Put there. We put here. Oh my God, I understand that. Ooh. If you want to keep the soup, you can use straw. You put there.
Epic fail.
And then for the super final touch, so that our food will be clean. Yummy. We will put some, ano to? Alcohol. Secret. Some spray of that. Two sprays. And this one. Go there. It will look. It will proud. It will look. Oh, you see that? Some more. There we go. Oh my God.
Sukan mo yung ngiti niya. Hindi nakakaulun.
Ay, may nag-take. Beautiful for 3A. Friday na lang po lang yun. Kasi Friday. Wala naman.
Hindi kita. One, two, three, four, five.
Yes, lang sa tayo kasi pag-sig sa mga balik. Why always me?
You already.
Wala ba? I'm tired.
Ako po naman sa grammar kasi sabi mo.